Hello, I'm Cecil Crosby. This is my beautiful wife, Tiffany Crosby.
Hello.
We're building the Greenville 1E.
Coming into the design studio, it felt overwhelming, but talking it through with Shelly and going through some options, it was smooth sailing, and we built what we think is the perfect house for us.
What set Shaw Homes apart from other builders for me was when we went into the Greenville. It was like home. It was very open. The concept was pretty ideal to what we had and thought, and felt like best place to start a home is in the Greenville. So yeah.
And unlike other builders, we were able to customize our home and design it like we want it, and we love that. And like Nigel says, it's definitely the wow house.
Exactly. The best advice for a builder to Shaw home was just having an open idea, just being able to create something, and just have options available, be prepared a little bit, and no idea is a stupid idea. So yeah, that's pretty much.
And I would definitely say to have fun with it, enjoy it, and I mean, definitely take Shelly and Jonna's advice. They will definitely lead you into the right direction.